assembly.
We have been looking at ancient Greece. First of all, we looked at the history of Greece.
There were two mighty city-states in Greece. One was Athens.
And place, music.
Democracy is a fancy word for a government that people get to vote for.
Well, that sounds nice.
Yeah.
Well, I think that worked.
But it wasn't quite like democracy today, because only boys could vote.
So, the assembly, no time for flattering. That's right. The other mighty city-state in Greece was Sparta.
Where's Spartans? We like fighting people! Democracy? Of course not. Hooray for King Leonidas!
As you may be able to see, the Spartans and the Athenians did not, I repeat for you one more time, not like each other.
And there would have probably been a war if the Persians hadn't invaded.
Hi, I'm King Darius and I've come to invade your country. You look nice in my empire. King Darius has countries and animals that's ready for sea.
So the Athenians and the Spartans forgot their many differences and joined forces to fight off the invaders.
Come on, Athenians, let's get them.
They defeated the Persians in the Battle of Marathon.
1-0, 1-0, 1-0. I'll be back.
And the next year, he was
With an even bigger army, the Spartans rushed to fight the Persians.
Give me a fight. Let's get them before the Athenians this time.
They met at a place called Thermopylae.
Okay, so there's 300 of us, thousands of them. I'm looking too good here. We are the priestesses of Sparta. We can foresee the future. There can be no greater glory for a Spartan than to die in battle. Go and get them, boys. You can beat them. Run!
All 300 killed.
But the Spartans had not died in vain. They had delayed the Persians long enough for the Athenians to gather their army.
Again, they defeated the Persians in the Battle of Salamis. As everyone would, the Spartans and the Athenians celebrated! Celebration!
Come on!
Yahoo! That's how we celebrate!
I said I'd be back. I didn't say I'd win. Oh yeah, you're looking back.
It wasn't long before the two great cities were at war. Realizing that they were losing the battle, the Spartans asked the Persians back to defeat the Athenians.
And it looks like it worked, because the Spartans have won. But the truth is, neither side really won.
Athens was in ruin. And Sparta spent so much on the war and paying to get rid of the Persians that they were now poor.
The golden age of Greece was now over. But hey, luckily they left behind lots of stories for us to enjoy!
And one story is the story of Theseus and the Minotaur.
I'm gonna tell you a story.
We love stories.
It's an old Greek myth about courage and heroism.
Oh
we've been learning about greatness at school.
Man versus monster, hero versus villain. This is DCIS! Yay! Versus the Minotaur.
We learned this at school. He's half bull, half human.
Let's begin. Once there was a little girl called Red Riding Hood.
Granddad, you're telling the wrong story. We don't want to hear about stupid Red Riding Hood.
Yes, here we are. Our story begins on the island of the evil King Minos. He had a beautiful daughter, Ariadne.
I am the most feared and respected king ever. What more admired king than me? First I built a wall, the greatest wall around the Minotaur. Now I'm going to feed the bull.
Feed the bull! Feed the bull! Feed the bull!
Have you heard? He's going to stop feeding our children to the Minotaur.
Yes, he's going to feed the Athenian children instead.
Sir, I've moved your head over 5 p.m. so you can see if people on you. Sorry. The king had news. I have news. The good news is that we are now at peace with King Minos and Crete. Truly a great day for Athens. The bad news is that now we have to send a group of boys and girls to Crete to be eaten by the Minotaur. What? Most of the children have already been chosen. They don't know what for yet. Did you tell her? Okay, guys, we are gonna do your best Athens. Yay! Go to Crete to be eaten by the Minotaur. Things for the heroes. Up steps the king's son. Theseus! Yay! This must not happen. I will kill the Minotaur. They set sail to Crete the next day. Land ahoy! They were greeted by King Minos.
Welcome to my great country. It's the greatest country ever. Enjoy yourselves in my great palace. Oh, and tomorrow you will be eaten.
Dear Theseus, I'm a beautiful princess. I'm sure you know this. I'm also very bored with my life here. If I help you kill the Minotaur, there's promise to get me off this island.
Theseus decided to do it. I'll do it.
I will leave a ball of string and a sword inside the labyrinth. Tie one end of the ball to the entrance so you can retrace your steps back out of the maze. This is the bit when Theseus enters the maze.
He ties a string to the door and creeps carefully through the maze.
Who stopped at the island of Naxos for supplies?
I've never left Crete before. I want to see the island.
What do we have here? It's a beautiful lady. It has been so long since we've seen one like you.
We have never seen anyone as stunning as you. Come and join our party.
Party on, dude!
I can see clearly now, the rain is gone. I can see all obstacles in my way. Gone are the dark clouds that have me blind. It's gonna be bright, 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 sunshiny day. It's gonna be bright, bright, sunshiny day. I think I can make it now, the rain is gone. All of the bad feelings have disappeared. Here is my rainbow I've been praying for. It's gonna be bright, 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 sunshiny day. Look around, there's nothing but blue sky. Look straight ahead, nothing but blue I can see clearly now, the rain is gone. I can see all obstacles in my way. Gone are the dark clouds that have me blind. It's gonna be bright, bright, sunshiny day. It's gonna be bright, bright, sunshiny day. Sunshiny day.
Thank you for watching our assembly.